In this video, we will show you how to set up your Garmin Approach R10 golf device. First, we will begin by pairing your Approach R10 device with your compatible smartphone. To do this, you will need to download the Garmin Golf app on your smartphone. In this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but the process is similar on Android devices. Once the download is complete, open the Garmin Golf app. Sign in with your Garmin account or create a new account. Then follow the on-screen instructions to finish setting up your account. Now we will need to open the menu to start the pairing process. To open this menu on an Apple iPhone, touch More at the bottom of the screen. Touch the three bars at the top of the screen on Android smartphones. Touch Garmin devices from the menu. Then touch Add Device and select the Approach R10 from the list. On your Approach R10, press the button on the back of your device. If this is the first time you have powered on your Approach R10 device, it will automatically enter pairing mode. The front LED will be solid blue, confirming the device is in pairing mode. If your LED is not solid blue, press and hold the button for 1 second to power off the device. Then press and hold the button until the LED turns solid blue. Now that your Approach R10 device is ready to pair, touch Start on the Garmin Golf app. Once the pairing is completed, select Finish. Next, we need to set up the mounts for both the Approach R10 device and for your smartphone. To complete this process, you will need the Approach R10, the tripod mount, and both pieces of the phone mount. Let's start with both pieces of the phone mount. First, insert the ball end of the bag clip mount into the back of the phone clip. This may take some force to snap together. With the phone mount assembled, open the large clip and attach it to your bag. Now we can open the adjustable slide and insert your smartphone. Be sure the phone is lower than the top of the bag to avoid contact with your clubs. If needed, you can reposition the phone angle or clip placement. Finally, we can attach the Approach R10 device to the tripod mount. The tripod is magnetic and will easily attach to the back of the device. Once attached, extend the feet. See our troubleshooting radar features of the Approach R10 in the description for more help. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you need additional help, visit us at support.garmin.com.